Hello everyone, I am Ashish Thakre and my teammate is Sushil Kaklis and the subject is RL circuit. Introduction of RL circuit. The fundamental passive linear circuit elements are the resistor, capacitor and inductor. These circuit elements can be combined to form a electrical circuit in four distinct ways: the RC circuit, the RL circuit, the LC circuit, and the RLC circuit, with the abbreviation indicating which component are used. This circuit exhibits important types of behavior that are fundamental of analogy electronics. In particular, they are able to act as passive filter. This article consider the RL circuit in both series and parallel shown in the figure. Second, in practice, however, capacitor and RC circuits are usually preferred to inductor since they can be more easily manufactured and are generally physically smaller, particularly for higher value of components. Both RC and RL circuit from a single pole filter depending on whatever the reactive element C or L is in series or with the load of parallel with the load will dedicate whatever the filter is low pass and high pass. Third, frequency RL circuit are used as DC power supplied for RF amplifiers, which the inductor is used to pass DC bias current and block RF getting back into the power supply. Why we use RL circuit? First, fundamental physical electronic RL circuit. Second, fundamental physics electronics. Third, jump the negative jump to search. Fourth, RL circuit refers to circuit having combination or resistance and inductors. They are commonly used to chokes or luminous tubes. In an AC circuit, inductors help in reducing voltage without the loss of energy due to the inducting reactance. The higher of AC frequency, the greater the impedance of the inductor under DC condition. An inductor acts as the static resistance. Like RC circuit with one resistor and one coil can be connected to the form of low pass filter or high pass filter. A high pass filter allows frequency above the cut-off frequency to pass, while a low pass filter allows frequencies beneath the cut-off frequency to pass. The arrangements of the resistor and the capacitor is what determines their behavior. Series RL circuit. What are an RL circuit? An RL circuit, also known as RL filter or RL network, it is defined as an electrical circuit consisting of the passive circuit element of the resistor and an inductor connected together, driven by voltage source or current source. Due to the presence of resistor in the ideal form of the circuit, an RL circuit will consume energy alkaline to RL circuit or RLC circuit. Parallel RL circuit. First, the combination of a circuit and inductor connected to parallel to an AC source as insulated in is called parallel RL circuit. In a parallel DC circuit, the voltage across each of the parallel branches is equal. This is also true of the AC parallel circuit. The voltage across each parallel branch are the same value, equal in value to the total applied voltage, all in phase with each other. Thank you very much for watching.